Good evening, guys. It's Emmanuel once again, and we are here on Daily Cipher for today. And I want to make you know that this Daily Cipher will expire by 8 p.m. tomorrow, being Monday, Nigerian time, 8 p.m. tomorrow. So we have all the time. We have almost 24 hours to do it. If you don't have the time to do it now, you can keep it later, you do it. So how do we, for newbie, okay, how do we activate our daily cipher? How do we activate it so that we can do it? Okay, the the first thing you will do is you come here, daily cipher, and then you tap here. Okay, when you tap here, you will notice that this big board that is in blue will turn to red. Okay, so let's do that. So as you can see, it has turned to red. So immediately your board turned to red, you know you're ready for the cipher. So what are we spelling today? What is the Morse code word? What is the word today? Well, let's get into my WhatsApp group. So the word we are spelling today is half. Okay, half, half, HALVE, half. Okay, and then as usual, we are going to consult our chat board. We are going to consult our chat board. So the first letter in half is letter H. Letter H, and this is letter H. Okay, and letter H is dot 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 dot. So dot 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 into 4. And we have said, let me point out something. We have said that dot from here, we have said that dot is a regular tap. So this is dot. Just tap on your screen like this. You know you are doing dot. While dash is a long press, you hold and you release. You hold small, you hold like 3 seconds on you. It's just like when you want to paste something. Dash is like when you want to paste something. So you hold your screen to paste something you have copied. That is what dash is like for the newbies. So we go back. So H is 4 dots. So we tap on our phone, bam, 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 and then we get our 4 dots. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have gotten letter H. So the next letter is letter A. We go back to our chat board, and this is letter A. Letter A is dot dash. Dot dash. So you tap on your phone, then you hold small and then you release. So let's do that. So we tap, then we hold, and then we release. Letter A has been activated. Okay, so we are going to letter L. Letter L. And where is this is letter L. So letter L is dot dash dot dot. Dot dash dot dot. So you tap on your phone, hold, release, then tap tap. Okay, so dot dash dot dot. Dot dash dot dot. So we tap, we hold, we then tap 2 times, and then we have letter L. Okay, so we are going to letter V. Please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that whenever I do a video like this, it will just pop up on your screen. You don't have to wait for you to watch it. Okay, just subscribe because you will get value for the video you are watching here. Okay, so we are going for letter V, half. So letter V, I don't think I have spelled letter V ever before. So this is letter V. And how do we spell it? Letters V is 3 dots and 1 dash. So it's tap, 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 then hold and release. That dot, 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 and dash. Okay? 3 dots and 1 dash. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3. Hold, release. Letter V. And then we are on the last letter, the last but not the least is letter E. Letter E. And how do we spell letter E? Okay, letter E is just 1 dot. Okay, just tap on your phone. That's all. And you get your 1 million coin. Tap on your phone. That's all. So, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. So we just tap on our phone, and that's it. That's it. We are done. You've gotten the code. So you click here, and you take your prize. So take your prize. And that is it. The 1 million has been taken. So that is that for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please like and subscribe, okay? And then we'll do this tomorrow. Catch you again. Bye bye.